Hello loves, how are you guys doing today? It's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make mayonnaise at home with few ingredients. This mayonnaise was so nice, it came out so nice. As you guys can see, it's very thick. Okay, so we have our ingredients here. We have vegetable oil, that is 1 cup of vegetable oil. Then we are going to be using lemon. You can use any species of lemon. We're going to be using the lemon juice, okay, to make this mayonnaise. So the next ingredient on our list is raw egg, okay. We're going to be using raw egg to make this recipe. So it's very simple. Continue watching. So you're going to cut your lemon, then you're going to squeeze out the lemon juice, after which you transfer the oil into a deep cup or a deep container like so. Then the next thing you're going to do is to break in 1 egg. So once you add your egg, you're going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice, and you're going to add a pinch of salt. That was done behind the camera. Then you're going to use your stick blender to blend, to incorporate. So as you blend, the thing comes together and your mayonnaise is ready. So it's as simple as that. So just take a look at this. You're going to see how thick the consistency is, and that is the kind of mayonnaise you're going to like or love, because you're going to use it to, you know, enjoy your bread, enjoy your salad. So if you've been looking for, you know, mayonnaise recipe, and the perfect one at that, this is, you know, a recipe you want to try out. Okay, so as you guys can see, our mayonnaise is ready, and as you guys can see, it's thick, and that is the kind of mayonnaise you want to make for yourself. Okay, just like the Bama mayonnaise. So it was so nice, and we are transferring it into a plate. Okay, I just like the consistency of the mayonnaise. So you can make mayonnaise at home with just 3 ingredients, and like I said, salt was added. Add a pinch of salt, don't add too much salt, you just need a pinch, okay, yes, to add to this recipe. So we are almost done. We're just trying to, you know, get the whole mayonnaise to the plates, and that is all. So you can enjoy with bread, like I said, and any other thing that works well with you. And you can also store in a refrigerator. So this mayonnaise was wow, like it was wow. So if you've been looking for mayonnaise recipe that will give you this kind of Bama kind of consistency, this is a recipe you want to try out. And for the measurements and the ingredients, I'm going to be leaving them in the description. Guys, are you seeing our homemade mayonnaise? This is what you want to try out, and you are going to love this. I so much love the consistency. This mayonnaise was wow. So you can make mayonnaise at home. Just follow this process and you have your homemade mayonnaise. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Like I said, for the recipe measurements and the ingredients, check the description. And that will be it for this video. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.